Heavy. Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna show you how to bench. Okay. So first you're gonna get a flat bench like this. See? Then to set up, you want to pull your shoulders back and down. So you want to retract your shoulder blades. Feel that pinch in the back, and then retract them down, and they stay there. So once you're there, you're gonna lean back, and you're kind of stuck there. Make sure there's a nice arch in your back. See that? There should be space back here. And you want to tighten your core. All right, so you don't put too much tension in your lower back. You can either bring your legs all the way back or keep them flat. I can't because of my boot, so it kind of just stays flat there. And when you're pressing, right? When you press, you want your elbows to go down 45 degrees. Don't flare them up, because if you flare them up, you have more risk of injury or tearing your rotator cuff, because your arm can't physically go back at that angle. See that? But when you go down 45 degrees, you can go back a lot farther. So you get bigger range of motion there, and it incorporates more of your chest. Once you're pressing, you want to keep your shoulders back and down, and then you're gonna push the bar straight in front of you. So the bar path kind of goes in that curved motion right here. It's not going straight up like this. So you kind of curve it up. Just follow where your elbows naturally go and the point of your shoulder. See how my shoulder doesn't move at all, right? But my elbow moves. So that's the range of motion you're going to go through. So when you press, you're going to start right there. Keep it locked. Hand placement on the bar. You can either go close. Come here. So hand placement on the bar, you can either go close. If you go, the closer you get, the more you incorporate your tricep, because there's more of a strain on your long head of the tricep. But the farther you go, you incorporate more of your chest. So it's more chest dominant movement. All right, I'm going to show you chest dominant first. Well, I'm just going to show you chest dominant, which is more of a basic bench press. Or you can go neutral grip, and that incorporates a little bit of both. But we're going to go chest dominant. So roll my shoulders back and down. Tighten the core. Feet stable on the ground. And then lift them off. And then up. Press. Make sure breathe in, and when you press up, breathe out. And another tip when you're at the bar or when you're pressing, pretend you're trying to bend the bar with your hands so that your elbows naturally go into that 45-degree angle. And that's how you bench press